Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Sood. As we know that Microsoft have announced Windows 11 on June 24, 2021, Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10, released in 2015. Microsoft will release Windows 11 on October 5th, but without Android app support. Today in this video, I will show you how you can use Windows 11 without installing. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Don't skip the video, watch till end. So let's get started.
Open your browser and type win11.blue-ace.me and hit the enter. And as you can see, it is loading. Windows 11 is opening. And here you can see the desktop is open of Windows 11, and you can see all the UI, means look and feel, and all the UIs is similar with Windows 11. So if you want to experience Windows 11, you can just visit this website and you can do whatever you want. So let me show you more about this website. So if I open the Windows start menu, so here we can see all the options, and let's suppose if I want to open Edge, so I will click here, and here it is. If I want to search, then I can search here, and if I want to search the URL, so I can search through URL. If I want to go to the desktop, so I will just click here, and let's come to the second one, that is search bar. So I have clicked here, and you can see the search bar is open. I can search anything. See, I have written A and it has searched alarm. So like this, here we can search anything, and we can use Windows 11 search. And if you want, so this is one more thing we can see. And if you want to open the setting, let's see the setting is opening or not. So I will click here. See, I have clicked multiple times, but this setting is not opening. So let me open the file explorer. So it's writing coming soon. So this website is in the development phase. Okay, this is coming soon. Again, we'll move to the desktop. And as I have shown from the start menu, we have opened the Edge. So Edge is opened here. See, I will just close this. And if I want to open the Microsoft Store, so I will just click here, and it's open. And it's really awesome. And here, if you look here, here we are getting the sign of Wi-Fi along with the battery sign and the sound, and the time which is showing here is similar with this time of your local time. And let's suppose if I open this and I will just click on night light, then see it's applied here. And if I just click on the location, and it's tracking the location here. So it's very much familiar, it's nice, the UI is all good. And if you want to use this, if you want to have an experience of Windows 11, so you can just visit the website. I have told you 2 to 3 times. So friends, if you just like the videos, then please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And let's suppose if I am able to log out or sign out to this machine or not. So I'll just click here and I will click in here. And what if I want to restart? I have clicked on the restart and it's restarting. Let's see what happens. So it's restarting. Nice. And here you can see it is a lock screen and the sign in page here. So here it's asking for the password, so I will enter password as 1, or you can enter any number. Let's suppose I have entered this and I have just press enter, and when you hit the enter it will open, and again you can continue using it. So thank you.